Hello students, welcome to my class. In today's class, we will continue with the chapter Arithmetic Progressions of class 10. In the previous class, we have started exercise 5.2 and we have completed 15 questions. Today we will see 16th question. So question number 16, determine the AP whose third term is 16 and the seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. So here in this question we have two conditions, that is third term is 16 and the seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. So these two conditions are given. We have to determine the AP. So if you want to find an AP, actually we need two things, the first term and the common difference. So A and D value we need to find. Okay. So for finding that only they have given these two conditions. So the first one, third term is 16. So we can write A3 is equal to 16. Now you know the formula for A3, that is A plus 2D. You know the formula for AN, A plus N minus 1 into D. So this is the formula. So A3, instead of A3 we can write A plus 2D is equal to 16. So this is our first equation. Now, seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. So, what is its meaning? Seventh term is, that is A7 is 12 more than fifth term, that is A5 plus 12. So, this is the meaning, A7 is equal to A5 plus 12. Now, in the place of A7 and A5, we will substitute the value formula, that is A7 is equal to A plus 6D and A5 is A plus 4D. Okay, so now if you simplify these two, we can cancel A on both the side of the equation. Now we will find out, from this we can find out the value of D. So 4D we will bring to the left side. So 6D minus 4D is equal to 12. That is 2D is equal to 12. So the value of D is equal to 12 by 2 is equal to 6. So we got the value of D as 6. This we will substitute in first equation so that we can find A value. So substituting value of D in equation 1. So here we will substitute. So A plus 2 into 6 is equal to 16. That is A is equal to 16 minus 12. So the value of A is equal to 4. So we got now A value and D. So we can write the AP. So question is we have to find the AP. So therefore AP is, you know the formula, what is the general form of an AP, you know, A plus D, A plus 2D, etc. So this is the formula, general formula. So what is the value of A? We got 4. So 4 comma, you know how to find the next term, by adding A and D. Here the common difference is 6. So we will add 6 with the A, that is 10. Again we will add common difference with the second term so that we can find the third term. So 10 plus 6 is equal to 16, like that. So this is the AP. Clear? Now next question. Question number 17. Find the 20th term from the last term of the AP 3, 8, 13, etc. to 53. So here in this question we are given an AP. We have to find 20th term from the last. So similar type question we have already discussed in example. So how to do this I will explain now. So the given AP we will write 3, 8, 13, etc. to 53. So here if you consider what is the common difference of this AP, D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So this is the common difference of the given AP. Now we have to find 20th term from the last. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to write the AP in the reverse order. That is, this term we will write as the first term. So we will write the AP. We will form a new AP by writing the terms in the reverse order. So 2, 53, etc., 13, 8, 3. So this is also an AP, and what will be its common difference? So we already got the common difference of the given AP is 5. So if we reverse the terms, we will get the common difference as the negative of the common difference of the first AP. That is, we will get the common difference of this AP as minus 5. Now for finding 20th term from the last of this AP, we can find the 20th term of this AP. Both are same only. Okay, 20th term from the last of the given AP and the 20th term of this AP, new AP, both are same. So for this AP we will calculate A20. Okay, so you know the formula. What is A20? A plus 19D. So A value, A is the first term. So here A is equal to 253. First term is 253. So 253 plus 19 into minus 5. Now we will multiply this. So 253 minus 45, 4, 5, 95. So minus 95. So 253 minus 95. Now we will subtract. So 8, 5, 1. So 158. So 158 will be the 20th term from the last. So we can write 20th term from the last term of AP 3, 8, 13, etc. 253 is equal to 158. This is how you have to do this sum. Now we will see the next question. So question number 18. The sum of the 4th and 8th terms of an AP is 24, and the sum of the 6th term and the 10th terms is 44. Find the first 3 terms of the AP. So here in this question, we have to find the first 3 terms of the AP. So I have already told you, if you want to find an AP, we need to know first term and the common difference. So for finding first term and the common difference, we have this condition, that is 4th term and 8th term. Sum of 4th and 8th term is 24, and similarly sum of 6th and 10th term is 44. These two values they have given. From this we will find out A and D value first. So 4th term plus 8th term. So the sum of 4th term and 8th term is given as 24. So from this we will find out first equation. Okay. So A4, the formula for A4 is A plus 3D, and the formula for A8 is A plus 7D. So this is equal to 24. Now we will simplify. So A plus A is 2A plus 3D plus 7D is equal to 10D. So 2A plus 10D is equal to 24. This is the first equation. Now we will consider the second thing, that is sum of 6th term and the 10th term. That is A6 plus A10 is equal to 44. Now what is the formula for A6? A plus 5D, and formula for A10 is A plus 9D is equal to 44. Again we will simplify. So A plus A is 2A plus 14D is equal to 44. This is the second equation. Okay, so we got two equations in A and D. Now we will solve this for getting the value of A and D. So we will take this first equation, that is 2A plus 10D is equal to 24. Here if you see, the coefficient of A is same, so we will subtract these two equations. So we will change the sign of each term of the second equation. So what will happen? This 2A and this 2A will get cancelled, and 14D minus 10D, that is 4D, is equal to 44 minus 24, that is 20. So the value of D is equal to 20 by 4 is equal to 5. So we got the value of 5. Now this value we will substitute in the first equation. Okay, so substituting value of D, In equation 1. In first equation we will substitute, that is 2a plus 10d, that is 10 into d value is 5 is equal to 24. So we will find out a value. 2a is equal to 24 minus 50. So when we simplify you will get minus 26. So 2a is equal to minus 26. So a is equal to minus 26 divided by 2 is equal to minus 13. So we got the value of a and d. Now we can write the three terms of the AP. So AP, the three terms, first three terms. First three terms of the AP is, we can write first term is minus 13 and the second term will be minus 13 plus 5. Okay, that will be the second term, minus 13 plus 5, and the third term will be this answer plus 5. So we can simplify and write, that is minus 8. Minus 13 plus 5 is minus 8. Again minus 8 plus 5, that is minus 3. So these are the first three terms of the AP. Now we will see the 19th question. So question number 19. Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach rupees 7,000? So this is actually an application of the formula AN. Okay, so here we will see Subbarao's starting salary was rupees 5,000. So 5,000 was his initial first salary, and every year he got an increment of rupees 200. So what will be the salary in the next year? 5,200. Every year he is getting 200 as increment. Okay, so the next year his salary will be 5,200. Again the next year, that is the third year, he will get again 2,000 increment, that is not 2,000, 200 increment. So you will have 5,400, like that it will go. And the question is, in which year he will get 7,000 as his salary? Okay, so what you have to find, in which year, that is you have to find the value of n. So here you have to find the value of n. So if you see these numbers, here 200 is increasing. Okay, so these numbers actually forms an AP. So we can say that these numbers is in AP, is an AP. Why? Because here if you see the difference, you will get 200 only. Two consecutive terms difference if you calculate, you will get the same answer for everywhere you will get same answer. So this is an AP. Okay, now we are going to take this as a first term is 5,000, and what is D? D is A2 minus A1, that is 5,200 minus 5,000. So the D value is 200. Okay, D is equal to 200, and this 7,000 we will take as AN value. Okay, because we don't know which term is 7,000, so we will take 7,000 as AN value. So this is 7,000. Now we will use the formula for AN here, that is A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 7,000. Here in the place of A and D we will substitute these values, that is 5,000 plus N minus 1 into D, D is 200 is equal to 7,000. Now from this we will find out N minus 1 into 200 is equal to 7,000 minus 5,000. So 7,000 minus 5,000 is 2,000. So n minus 1 into 200 is equal to 2,000. From this we will find out n minus 1 value. So n minus 1 is equal to this 200 we will take to right side. So 2,000 divided by 200. So what will happen? The answer is 10. So this is the value of n minus 1. So we got n minus 1 value as 10. So n is equal to 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. So we got the value of n as 11. So we can write 11th year his salary or income will reach rupees 7,000. Okay. So the answer is 11th year. Now we will see question number 20. So question number 20, Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week of a year and then increased her weekly savings by rupees 1.75. If in the nth week her weekly savings become rupees 20.75, find n. Okay, so we will represent this in the form of an AP. So first week of the year his savings is 5 rupee and it is increasing every week, it is increasing by rupees 1.75. So what will be his saving in the second week? That is 5 plus 1.75, that is 6.75. So it is increasing in this way, and after n weeks his savings become rupees 20.75. Now if you see this numbers 5, 6.75 etc. 20.75 forms an AP. Why? Because here 1.75 is increasing after each term. Okay, so this forms an AP, and here we will take this 20.75 as AN, and we have first term common difference. We know we have to find the value of n. So A is equal to 5 and D, what is the value increasing every week? 1.75. So we will take D as 1.75 and A is equal to 5, and this 20.75 we will take as the value of AN. So AN is equal to 20.75. Now here in the place of AN we will use the formula A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is equal to 20.75. So here A is equal to 5. We will substitute the values of A and D. So 5 plus n minus 1 into 1.75 is equal to 20.75. Now n minus 1 into 1.75 is equal to 20.75. This 5 we will take to right side, so minus 5. When you subtract these two, you will get 15.75. This is the value of n minus 1 into 1.75. So from this we will find out the value of n minus 1, that is 15.75 divided by 1.75. When you simplify, you will get the value as 9. So this is the value of n minus 1. So n is equal to 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So the value of n is equal to 10, or we can say that after 10th week his weekly savings become rupees 20.75. So the value of n is equal to 10. So today we have completed exercise 5.2. In my next video we will learn a new concept. If you like my channel, you can share and subscribe. Your subscription, my motivation. Thank you, students.